Look at that.
You making some smiles?
What are you doing, hey? You talking? You talking? Sure you are. Yes, you are.
You are smiling at Grandma. Look at that.
That's a definite smile. Look at that. Hello, sweetheart. Yes. Oh, yeah.
This world is pretty fun, huh?
Yeah. Isn't that something? We've been talking away and you've been smiling and talking away. Yes. Yeah, I think so. What? Oh, wrinkled brow.
Are you all done?
What's a wrinkled brow? Can you smile? Or is it that what's causing your distress? Hey, hey.
Those hiccups.
Oh, look at that. Honest to gosh. Yes. You're just showing off for Grandma something else, something terrific.